So she is 165 years old when we went to meet her. I'm talking of Shimla, Seclude Taraview. The property was inherited by the present owner from a long lineage. It was a British bungalow. It has the most distinctive part of the property was the walls. So there are these dhajji walls which are really about almost 9 inches thick, and you can't drill a hole through them, you cannot break them, you cannot repair them, you can only work with what you have. So we got this property, Seclude Shimla Taraview now it's called, and we started restoring it. This is just between the first and the second wave of COVID. We had to actually rebuild certain parts of the property, and it took us 9 months. What a labor of love. The roof had to be redone. The windows, we wanted to keep the facade just the way it is, and if you look at it, the windows are beautifully, there's a long corridor, and it brings natural light into the rooms. The ground floor was actually ghodon ka or janwaron ka stubble, stinking like hell and unused, and now it's been redone. We have 6 beautiful bedrooms. It's also, when we got the property, we found lots and lots of astronomer maps. The gentleman who used to live in the property was a keen astronomer. So there were maps of the various constellations and stars. So when we were redoing the rooms, we decided to name the rooms after stars. So we have Cosmos, Supermoon, etc. So there is a theme which runs through the whole property. So Shimla gets real snow in winters, and a couple of times we've been there, we've seen the entire house covered with snow. The one thing you can see from the house is actually these beautiful deodar trees, and when they get covered in snow, magical.